guys, BrianaLynee here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube. If you're new here, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss not one thing. Okay, so today's video, I feel like it's necessary. I wanted to hop on here. Well, first of all, usually I don't even get on camera like this, but you know, I've been on my quarantine and chill flow. So I'm kind of losing my mind and I've been talking to myself a lot. So why don't I come on here and talk to you guys? But ultimately, I'm still talking to myself in front of a camera and lights. Anyway, y'all get me. I just want to talk to you guys about a basic how to flat twist tutorial. So let me tell you guys, I'm going to say 2-strand twists, not flat twists. How do I not know what I'm doing in my video? And I kept saying it wrong. This is a 2-strand twist. Carry on. Clown. A lot of people will flat twist, but they don't always get the results that they want. And so I think that it's important to do a breakdown and talk through it and just show my technique, and maybe it can help someone. I get a lot of questions about why am I getting frizz? Why doesn't my hair hold? This product doesn't work for me, and ultimately I don't know if we're doing all of the steps that are appropriate to get a bomb twist out. It might be like something minor that you need to fix or something that you didn't know. Anyway, I just want to talk about how I do my technique and what gets me the best results. So, the first thing that you want to do is to wash your hair. Not just rinse it off and just, I put shampoo and I'm done. No, make sure that you scrub your scalp clean. You need to make sure that your scalp is clean and your hair is clean. You need to get rid of all of that residue on your hair, because when you leave that residue on and you try to use a product, do you think that that residue and that new product that you're trying to use is going to mix well? No. And then that's where a lot of people will say, oh, this product doesn't work for me, but your hair ain't clean. Clean your hair. I'm going to take my own advice and start by cleaning my hair, and we can get into it. This is a styling video discussing techniques and just basically what I do and some things that I wish I had known when I was first going natural. And I will be addressing my transitioning sisters out there who are having a hard time doing a 2-strand twist as well, just styling period, because I know what it's like to transition. You know, I might have my hair together now, but honey, this thing was so thin. But let me wash my hair first and I'll get back into it. Alright, so my hair is nicely washed. Feels good. I went ahead and used Cleansed by Miche. Their shampoo is super hydrating and it really gets your hair clean, lathers up nicely, all the above. Cool. So now that your hair is freshly washed, I'm going to go ahead and start to section off my hair, and then I'll start twisting in sections. Now that I have separated and sectioned off my hair, I'm going to go ahead and just use my comb and just take a little section. We're going to do like medium twist, all right? I'm going to start off with a medium section, just like this, using Bounce by Miche, which is a curl defining cream. This is a cream that is good for braid outs, twist outs, and depending on your hair type, it can be great for wash and goes. Today, I'm going to be using it for a twist out. But before using that, I'm going to first apply the Boost Hydrating Leave-In Spray. This is a leave-in and refresher and detangler. This is really a 3-in-1. So it's suggested that you only need one product when you're styling, when you're using the Bounce. But my hair's a little thicker, so I'm going to be using both. You know, I'm not going to be heavy-handed, because what I really like about this Bounce cream is how thick this cream is. It's not a gel, but it does feel creamy enough and has enough hold. It's not sticky, but there is some to it. That's the best way to put it. It is a little bit thicker, so it's definitely going to help with hold and hydration. I'm going to start with the Boost. Just a couple sprays. Nothing outrageous. I'm using this as my leave-in because my hair, usually I like to do twist outs when my hair is wet. So this just adds to the moisture that I want in my hair. It is so important to use a Denman brush when you're doing a twist out because you really want your hair to be smooth and you really want to work that product in your hair. Then I'm going to take some of the curl defining cream. Be sure to get your ends good. When you're applying a cream like this, and then when you're twisting, usually once you're done twisting, you can see at the ends if your ends curl or if they look raggedy or they do nothing. You can usually determine when you're styling your hair when it's time for a trim. Products usually work better once your hair has a healthy, solid foundation. Okay, so when it comes time to twisting, I don't just twist my hair. I will twist the first one and then I will wrap my finger around and twist it a little bit tighter. It gives your twist a tighter hold. So as I move up in my head, I'll be able to show you all a little bit better what I mean because I'm in the back of my head. You take your 2 strands, you do your first twist, and now you're here, that's all you did. And then you take this one twist and you twist it once more, and then you twist your hair. So you're turning one strand tighter. And when you turn that one strand tighter, it gives you a better hold for your twist. Usually when you just do a 2-strand twist and you twist it just twisting without giving it an extra twist, it gives your hair a looser hold, in my opinion. So once you get to the end, you twist it like so, and then you have a little curl. And this is how I do my twist outs. If you are transitioning, I would just add some perm rods to my ends, wrap it tightly, and that's how you can get your ends to curl, since of course they're not curling yet, and that's fine. One thing that I do want to say is when you're using this cream, just be mindful about being heavy-handed if you have finer hair. Of course you know your hair, but if you don't, this is the time to experiment. Trial and error is key. You're at home, and if you're at home, you have time, like me. So just work the product in. You want to make sure that your hair is saturated with the product so you can get some great hold. I just want to point out how my curls are thriving when I'm using the Boost and Bounce by Miche. This curl defining cream mixed with this leave-in conditioner really is a match made in heaven. So my twists are nice. Twists are nice and juicy. You know what, you guys? It's okay to embrace your shrinkage. I know I look 8. Everybody already thinks I'm 7 or 8, and this is not helping, but definition is about to be popping. So the twists are all done, and now is the most important step: sitting under a hooded dryer. You need to allow whatever product you use to sit in your hair, sink in your hair, penetrate your hair, so the products can do what they're supposed to do: moisturize, hydrate, and hold your hair. So I usually sit under the dryer until my hair is done, and then I don't take it out until the next day, just to be on the safe side. So normally it'll take me about anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half for my hair to be dry, maybe 2 hours. So get you a good book, put some headphones in, and relax. Let your hair dry so you can get the results that you want. So after my hair is dry, I'm using Polish by Miche to apply oil on my hair to just add additional moisture and to give my hair some shine. Then I'm going to proceed to start taking out my twists. Once my twists are completely dry, I'm going to start taking them out, starting at the bottom and gently unraveling. because you don't want any frizz. So look at these products. These products really gave my hair some great hold, and I can already tell when it comes to separating, the frizz will be at a minimum. Now that I have taken all of my twist out and I have really good definition, we're going to have to separate. So when we are separating our hair, we're going to look for those natural breaks in our hair. So here's one. Separate. You see another one. Separate. Minimal frizz. You just want to be gentle when you're separating. So you pull it apart, pull it down, and you look for the natural break. You see one right in here, and you separate that, and then you'll see another break. Another. Okay? And then you do that for your whole head. So as you can see, on the left side I have not separated, and on my right side is what it looks like after separating. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my hair pick and gently fluff my hair at the roots just to give my hair some volume, and these are my end results. My hair has so much definition, it's moisturized, it's hydrated. I got the definition I wanted and did not have to compromise and have any frizz. Your hair will definitely get bigger as the days go. This is day 1 hair, and wow. So for those of you who always want to know what can you do to fight against shrinkage, well, a little thing that you can do is go ahead and take your blow dryer and use that blow dryer to stretch out your hair. You can put the blow dryer on low and put the heat on low as well, and you just allow the blow dryer to blow on your roots of your hair. Not for too long because you don't want to lose all the definition, but it will help to stretch your hair some. You can definitely see on the left side my hair was stretched, and on the right side I did not stretch it. Just want to show you how to do it. I didn't want to stretch it all the way out because I like how my hair looks and I didn't need to stretch it too much, but I just wanted to give you guys a little tip. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Was it helpful? What do you think of these results? I'll be sure to put down the products that I used in the description box. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.